Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get the Yeti outfit and $100,000 in GTA for free. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply go to this location over here. So just simply drive over at this location right over here, and then you should find a text message on your screen from a person called Tanner. Now let me show you exactly what you have to do. And now when you will be at this location, you will find a new question mark appearing on that particular spot. Just simply go there and check it. So now what you have to do is just simply go there and just simply search for a few clues. So just simply go over there. Now right over here you will find your first clue at this exact spot, as you can see right over here. Now just simply investigate this. Now let's move on to the next spot. Now this will be the second location, as you can see right over here. This is the place where you will find it. Now just simply investigate this one. And now let's move on to the next one. The next one you will find right over here below the bridge. And this is the location on the map, as you can see right over here. So again, just simply investigate this one. The next one will be right over here at this camp. So this is the location on the map, as you can see right over here. Now just simply investigate this one. And now let's move on to the next location. And this is going to be the final spot which you're going to investigate. And the location on the map is right over here. So just simply investigate this. And now after investigating all the 5 clues, you will get a total of 50,000. Now just simply wait for the nightfall or the morning. So the official time for the Yeti to come out is approximately 6 AM in the morning and 9 PM of the game time. So just simply wait for the appropriate time, and then the Yeti will spawn automatically. And now before the event begins, make sure that you are inside this circle, as you can see right over here. And now all you have to do is just simply wait for the night time or the morning time, and then the Yeti will come automatically to you. So as you can see right over here, the Yeti have been spawned. So just simply kill him. So after the Yeti is dead, you will again get 50,000 and a total of $100,000 from the entire mission. Now, the outfit that you will get from it will be available in your wardrobe. Let me show you. So all you have to do is just simply go to your wardrobe, then just simply go to outfits, then just simply go to festivities right over here. And right over here you will have your Yeti suit. Now, just simply click on the space bar to save the outfit. So click on save outfit and then save to a new slot if you want to, but it is not actually needed. So over here, you can just simply click on enter and you will be able to select your outfit. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.